Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to find total internal and external indeterminacy in the case of frame and the trusses. First, we should know what is indeterminacy and determinacy. So the basic difference is determinacy. Determinacy means we can calculate the reaction and all the internal stress developed in the structure by using the three statics equilibrium equation, that is moment is equal to 0 at a particular point, summation of force in y direction is 0 and summation of force in f direction is 0. But in the case of indeterminacy you cannot find the reaction and internal stresses. So now come to the topic. This question is very important from the engineering point of view, because it is important to calculate the total internal and external indeterminacy of the structure, because it tells us about the stability and instability of the structure. And this question is generally asked in strength of material in different examination, different university exam. So now coming to topic. First we will find the internal, external and total indeterminacy of in the case of frame. Let's see. To find the total internal and external indeterminacy in the case of frame, we should know four things, that is member, reactions, joint and this conditional equation. Now I will explain it slowly and briefly. So member is simply, we can calculate, we can see, or we can just count a member just by looking at the frame. So in these pictures, members are those lines you see which is connected by two joints, like here. In this picture, let's see how many members are there. 1 2 3, because this and these are the internal hinge, and internal hinge also act as a joint, and this support also act as a joint. So how many members are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. The total member is 24, and I have written member with small m. In some books you can see, or you can find member written with capital M. Similarly, reaction written with a small r, but I have written with big R. It's your choice, it doesn't matter at all. Now coming to reaction, it's very easy to calculate reaction. We have already studied in applied mechanics, first and second. This is hinge, so there is two reaction. This is roller support, so there is one reaction. This is fixed, so this is three reaction. Total 3 1 4 4 to 6 to the 6 reaction. And joint, I already told you, joint means from where there is movement or there is creation of bending moment. So how many joint are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So there are 17 joint connect two member. You should simply understand. So now coming to the conditional equation, that is C is equal to m dash minus 1. Now must be wondering what is m dash. M dash is nothing, it's simple, number of member connected by the internal hinge. So there are 5 internal hinges, and this is formula to find the C conditional equation, m dash minus 1. The four first hinge, how many member are connected by the first hinge? 2, so 2 minus 1. So for this again 2 minus 1, for this again 2 minus 1, again for this hinge there is 2 member connected by, so minus 1. If you do this you get 5. So C's conditional equation is 5. So now we have the formula of total indeterminacy is 3m plus r minus 3j plus c. This is formula. You have to know this formula, you have to read this formula. because on basis of this formula we can calculate the internal, external, and internal indeterminacy in the examination. So if you calculate, put the value, you will get 22. Similarly, in the case of external indeterminacy, there is r minus 3 plus c. So r is reaction, 3 plus c is conditional equation. So doing this, we get minus 2. Internal indeterminacy is simply total minus external is equal to 24. I hope you understand. For the frame, now let's see in contrast of truss, in terms of truss. So the basic concept before calculating external, internal, and total indeterminacy is the internal hinge. In case of truss, there is no internal hinge, you should remember. So if there is no internal hinge, means there is no conditional equation, there is no C. So the formula becomes quite easy than the frame. And see, now come to this structure member. As you calculated member in the frame, same with the process to calculate the member in the truss as well. So how many members are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Well, I made mistake. Let's count again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So there are 13 member. Reactions, this is roller, one reaction is 2 reactions, so 2 1 3 reaction. Joint are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 joints. There are no internal hinge, so there is only less joint. Now in this total determinancy, in the case of truss, is m plus r minus 2j. We do not need c because I have already mentioned that conditional equation is not here because we do not have internal hinge. So m is member plus r is reaction minus 2 into j is joint. So if you calculate, you get 0. Similarly, in the case of external indeterminacy also, the formula we have is r minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. For internal indeterminacy, total minus external, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So this is how we calculate the total internal and external indeterminacy in case of frame and truss. So just read this 4 formula and you can solve any frame and truss. That's for today. Thanks for watching video. See you then.